Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use color coding for task statuses on Asana. First up, you're going to open your Asana dashboard and navigate to the task you want to color code. Now remember that color coding is beneficial because it visually differentiates tasks based on their status, making it easier for you to manage and track your team's progress. The next step is to click on the three dots icon on the right side of the task. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. The reason we do this is because it provides access to the Change Color feature, which is the core of this tutorial. Now that we have our menu open, look for the Change Color option. Clicking on it will open a color palette. Choose a color that best represents the task status. For instance, you could use green for completed, yellow for in progress, and red for urgent. This helps us because different colors can quickly and intuitively signal different statuses to anyone who looks at the task. Once you've selected your color, click Save. Your task will now appear in the new color on your Asana dashboard. This is the final but crucial step because it confirms and applies your changes. And there you have it. That's how to use color coding for task statuses on Asana. This simple but effective method will help you quickly understand the status of your tasks at a glance, boosting your productivity and task management. As always, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next tutorial.